Hey guys, my name is Derek. This is my beautiful wife, Tammy. We're always en route. Today's video is going to be a little bit different because California's on fire. The air quality is really bad, so we don't want to be outside. It's just smoke. So we're doing this video inside where we're mooch docking, if you will. Today's video is basically a repair fix video. It occurred in April of 2021 when we were staying at Lake Havasu. And for those that don't know, we have a 2018 27-foot Flying Cloud Airstream. The parts in them are made from Dometic, and they use Dometic parts in tons of RVs out there. Basically what happened is our water heater went out and we had to repair it. It was a weekend and we had to deal with that. So this is basically, if you run into the same type of problem, this is how you're going to look into it, fix the problem, and this is what we ended up doing. We had to replace the computer in it. A real simple fix. I'll show you how it's done in the video. It's kind of like one of those things, it's like, oh, you're out in the middle of nowhere on a Sunday, hoping that the parts stores are open and dealing with all that kind of stuff. Hopefully this video will work for you if you run into the same type of problem. Without further ado, let's get into the video. Okay, so we woke up this morning, tried to take a hot shower, or at least to warm up the water. And because we're not plugged in, we're boondocking, so we have to use the gas. Now we used the gas to heat the water heater, 2 days ago. Worked fine, but today we turned it on, the hot water heater, which is down here. Turn this on, turns the gas. After 3 tries, the thing clicks, click, 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 tries a few times to ignite. Didn't ignite. And that's the first time that's happened. So the little red light comes on telling you something's wrong. So we had to get on YouTube and try to figure something out. We don't know what's wrong with it right now, but we're going to try to fix it. There's a good video that I'm going to watch right now and to check a bunch of things, certain circuits. And we're going to be doing that right now. So apparently a lot of people have this same water heater in their rigs, be it an Airstream or whatever. It's semi-popular one that they put in. And a lot of people have problems with this thing. So today I'll show you what this looks like. So that's our water heater. And I do a couple different tests here. Everything from this igniter, we're gonna have to check the continuities and these things and all these pieces here. This diode here, I believe it's the diode, and check it and make sure everything's working. What's interesting is they put a sticker in here that talks about, before replacing the circuit board, remove and clean connections to the circuit board. Like, apparently a lot of people have problems with these things. Why they continue to make them, I have no idea, but a lot of people get online, they have the board replaced, but before I replace the board, and that may be the last option or the last thing I have to do, but before I do that, I want to see if I can make sure all the other small things are working well before I do that and save myself 100, 150 bucks, whatever it may cost to replace the board if that's the problem. So we're going to be checking these things out and see if it works. After doing all the checks, continuity on everything, it all looks good. It looks like we're going to have to get a new board, which is that piece, which apparently is a totally common problem with these Atwood purchased by Dometic. Everything we have problems with this rig, it's Dometic problem stove heaters. It is Sunday, so it's going to be hard to find a parts store. We're going to see if we can find one.
Sorry. You're usually quite excited when you get on there.
Here's the part we're going to have to replace. We drove into the city of Parker, which is about an hour from Lake Havasu City, to because it's Sunday, it's the only place that we could find that was open. But they seemed really nice on the phone, and they said they would test this part just to make sure it's bad before they sold us a new one, which is not refundable. This place is called Spanky's RV and Marine. So when we come back out, we'll let you know what's going on. Okay, so we're back at the rig. Here's our old board again. Made in China. Anyways, our new box. This is the Dinosaur. Made in America. And looks a lot different, but not. Bolt holes line up. And it's just made a lot different. But comes with a 2-year warranty, nationwide warranty, and I did some reviews on these, and these are highly rated. A lot of people recommend them, so we're going to go ahead and install that. I'm sure it's going to work fine. I'm hoping it's going to work fine. Once I get it installed, which is basically it plugs in and there's 2 bolts and another plug, real simple. And we'll see if it lights up. All right, after quite a bit of finagling, I guess, I got it in and I'm getting ready to turn it on. This is what it looks like now. Things were a little bit different. Instead of the plugs coming straight out, you have to go down the side here. And this plug comes out to the side instead of plugging straight in. What I'm going to do is have my wife turn it on, and then we're going to see if it blows up on me. Okay, go ahead. Go. Yes.
Red light is on.
It's off. It lit right up. Is the red light on? Okay. It lit like perfect. It even sounds better. I don't know if that's possible, but the flame seemed always irregular with me. I even brought it to Airstream to have it fixed. I was like, this thing should spurting and blah, blah, blah. I don't know if that has anything to do with it, but honestly, it sounds quieter. The flame seems more, All right, guys, that's going to do it for this video. If it helped you at all, please give it a thumbs up. If you haven't yet, please subscribe. And until the next video, take care of yourself, be safe, and as always, peace.